asked for it. Now you have it. Ilé Aláyọ̀ the series.
Alright, come on, pick up shots. And they are coming out from inside. 3, 2, 1, and action!
Ṣé dáàdì látẹ̀kì sí mo ti mọ̀ láṣẹ. Ṣé dáàdì máa ń bá wọn tọ̀rọ̀ ọjọ́ ṣọ́dí.
Olúwa Ọlọ́run bọ̀dá ṣẹ̀san fi ara rẹ̀ rọ̀.
Ẹnu ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ àkílẹ̀ tẹ̀ máa ń ṣe é gan-an bọ̀dá ṣẹ̀san. Olúwa Ọlọ́run ẹ̀san bọ̀dá ṣẹ̀san ìdáná ń gbé ni. Ẹ bá máa bá sáká ìlú inú máa bá sáká. Fáìlì mo fẹ́ lọ fáìlì lọ kàn. Ṣẹ́ta bẹ̀kọ̀
Ladies and gentlemen, of course, my name is Wole Agba, the prophet with the oil of gladness. Ogozoli, in the break, my will be Caprica Primitive. Is here to go again, the men were up, he wore your Godoriagada, he wore the day will feel it. John Toriolong, Mao, Ilé Aláyọ̀, Balayo, Barren, who did the river. Ilé Aláyọ̀, the series, a must watch for everyone. Thank you so much. Wole Agba. Boo! We are booing and we are still not the man of it.